Good morning, friends. Today we are here with a new video which is on the topic of lizard. Yes, the topic of today's video is lizard. If we talk about their legs, then lizard have 4 legs and they are reptiles. If we talk about their food habits, then they are carnivores. As you can see in this video, they are eating insect. Yes, they are carnivores by their eating habits. Many years ago, lizards were as big as crocodiles. Can you imagine that? And their life cycle starts by hatching from an egg. And lizards are from Animalia kingdom. Oh yes, they have very long tail in their back according to their size. Lizards have over 6,000 species in the world. It's the end of the video. Meet you soon. Bye bye.